Hey guys, welcome to Cutesy Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the letter A from alphabet lore. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. With this drawing, I'll be erasing some lines, so I'd recommend drawing in a pencil first. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the top with a line across here. Then from the left side, let's bring it down. And the same thing on the right, but we're going to angle it out slightly. Next, in the middle, about 2/3 of the way down, let's draw a line across towards the left. And from the left, let's step in, let's add an angle down, and then angle down on the right. And now let's close off the bottom with lines across. And that's it for the basic shape of the letter A. Let's move up and draw the mouth inside now. Inside, near the top, let's draw an angled line here. Then a curve down on the left, and a shorter angle down on the right. And now let's connect them with the curved line at the bottom. Next, inside, let's draw 3 vertical lines. Next, let's draw the eyes starting with the left side. Overlapping the side here, let's draw a rounded rectangle. Next, we'll erase that overlapping line inside. Next, inside the eye, let's draw a curve across the center. And then underneath, a rectangle shape towards the right side, and then color it in black. Now let's hop over and draw the right eye. We'll start with the rounded rectangle shape. And again, let's erase that overlapping line inside. Next, inside, let's draw a curve across the center. And again, a rectangle shape inside on the bottom right, and color it in black as well. And that's it for the letter A. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!